bit more this time. It's a lot more smoke from this one. Ready? Yeah. No. Good enough. I'm tired. Oh. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Where's the little ember we got?
We didn't get one.
Well, I mean, we had a little bit for a little bit there.
It's usually blacker than that, but
It's not dry enough. There you go, first try.
now you should probably cut that thing down.
I know it.